Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Now let's review a new product on our channel. Let's get started.
Solimo is basically an Amazon brand. This is in Amazon basic packaging. So this is a digital tire inflator designed to be used inside a car. I'll open this box and show you what this inflator looks like. And there you go. This is what you find inside the box. We have a instruction manual for the tire inflator. It comes with a digital display. This is basically a digital display, push an LCD display right over here. All the information that you want, product description, general safety instruction, you will find it here. So this is an important document. Now let's take a look at the tire inflator in question. This is a digital tire inflator. It comes with a flashlight over here. All the settings will be done over here, cycle through the different modes, and this is the power on off button. So when you want to start inflating tires or balloons even, this is the button that you use. The air comes out through this nozzle over here. So this is the nozzle, the hose rather, through which air will blow out. And this is the power cable, at the end of which you will see there's a pretty long power cable with a 12-volt signal on one end. So over at the back over here you have these two extra attachments. These are basically for when you want to inflate balloons using this particular hose. You can attach this particular screw this particular attachment in like so, and you're good to go. This is one attachment, and the second attachment is this when you want to inflate even finer things. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Solimo automotive tire inflator.
Let's see how to use the tire inflator. Start the car. Insert the tire inflator 12-volt DC plug into the 12-volt socket of the car. Pull out the air pipe and screw its connector valve clockwise onto the valve of the tire. Press M to select pressure measurement, PSI, bar, kg per centimeter square. The LCD screen will show the current pressure of the tire. Hold the plus or minus button to set the required pressure. Wait for 3 seconds and press M button again. Push the on and off button to start the inflation. Once it reaches the required pressure, it will automatically switch stop further inflation and the screen will show off. Remove the connector valve and unplug the 12-volt DC plug from the socket. That's it. It's very easy to use when there is a need to inflate the car tires. Now we will discuss about a common problem in all tire inflators. The problem is about the inflators not working all of a sudden. The main cause of the problem in most of the cases is the fuse being blown out. It's quite easy to change the 15 ampere fuse in the tire inflator. The detailed video about the problem is discussed in another video. The link of the video is given in the I button above and in the description.